Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something that I know you've all been asking for, nutrition tips and healthy meal prep ideas for busy people. Whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or just eat healthier, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow tips and recipes that will save you time and keep you feeling amazing. Let's be real, life is busy. Between work, family, and everything else going on, it can feel impossible to eat healthy. But here's the secret. Meal prepping is a total game changer. Not only does it save you time during the week, but it also helps you stick to your nutrition goals without reaching for unhealthy takeout. Plus, when your meals are ready to go, you're less likely to make impulsive food choices. It's all about setting yourself up for success. Now, whether your goal is to lose weight or build muscle, nutrition is key. Let's break it down. For weight loss, focus on meals that are high in protein and fiber. These will keep you full longer without adding too many calories. Think lean proteins like chicken breast or tofu paired with lots of veggies. For muscle gain, if you're looking to build muscle, it's all about getting enough protein and healthy carbs. You'll want meals that include lean meats or plant-based proteins along with complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes or brown rice. And remember, hydration is just as important as what's on your plate. Keep that water bottle close by. All right, now let's get into some super easy meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy people like you and me. Breakfast overnight oats with chia seeds. This one is a classic. It takes just 5 minutes to prep the night before. Mix oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and your favorite toppings like berries or nuts. Pop it in the fridge overnight and boom, you've got a nutritious breakfast ready when you wake up. Lunch sweet potato and black bean bowls. This is one of my go-to lunches. Roast some sweet potatoes, toss in black beans for protein and fiber, and top it off with avocado and lime dressing. It's filling, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Dinner sheet pan. Chicken and veggies. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated. Throw some chicken breasts on a sheet pan with your favorite veggies, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, and roast everything together. It's minimal effort, but maximum flavor. Okay, let's talk about some common diet myths that I hear all the time. Myth number 1, carbs are bad for you. False. Not all carbs are created equal. Complex carbs like quinoa or brown rice provide energy and essential nutrients. It's the refined carbs like white bread that you should limit. Myth number 2, you need to eat less to lose weight. Actually, eating too little can slow down your metabolism. Focus on eating nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body rather than just cutting calories. Myth number 3, fasting is the only way to lose weight fast. Intermittent fasting can work for some people, but it's not a magic bullet. The key is consistency in eating whole foods and maintaining balance. So there you have it, easy meal prep ideas and nutrition tips that will help you crush your health goals without spending hours in the kitchen. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With just a little planning ahead, you can have delicious meals ready for every day of the week. If you found this video helpful, and I hope you did, make sure to hit that like button below and subscribe for more nutrition tips every week. And hey, let me know in the comments what your favorite meal prep recipe is, or if there's anything specific you want me to cover next time. Healthy eating made simple. Subscribe now for more.